Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Chant and be happy. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Realize the potency of the enjoyer, the attractive. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. The God of light, the God of sound, omniscient, omnipotent, omnipresent. Overall enjoyment in life can't be bought. Humanitarian effort is good, but it is inferior to connection with God. To die in remembrance of God may be all it takes to reach the highest levels of an afterlife. We are not the mere mind or consciousness. We must know this world through duality. Even though we must affirm and deny, we can become equiposed and detached from mere Epicureanism. Words matter in religious use, but principles do more. There are certain effects of using the same and specific places for worship. There are said to be 1 in 1,000 people who are saintly. Some of them are said to have lived 10 times an average lifespan with a youthful appearance. Haridwar, the Ganges, connects to the Ganges. Nashik, Godavari, Ujjain, Shipra, Allahabad, the confluence of the Ganges, Yamuna, and Sarasvati rivers, are where many of them meet every 12 years for the pitcher holding Kumbh Mela. And this is decided based on astrological alignments. Well, astronomical, but it's given astrological significance. And this is when these rivers are thought to turn to spiritual nectar. There are the Vaishnav monk groups of Nirvani, Digambar, and Nirmoli. The Shaiva Akaras of Maha Nirvana, Atal, Niranjani, Anand, Juna, Avahan, and Agni. The Sikh Akaras of Bara, Panchati, Udasins, Chota, Panchavati, Udasins, and Nirmal. Make the mind your friend, and you will experience God as with you. Sacrifices need context, principles, and to be informed that their forms are being towards that. A lack of awareness doesn't mean a lack of existence. Spiritual knowledge is not by mere invention, nor mere experiments. The cities and villages considered to be the cities and villages are considered to be in the mode of passion. The wilderness is regarded as the dwelling place of goodness. Temple living is considered to be transcendental. When possible, the places of worship should be clean, neat, and quiet of noise beyond worship. Don't hate the sinner and the ignorant, but hate the sin and the ignorance. Eyes open meditation, like scrying, is preferred to that with closed eyes. Nature will reward those who do the right things. Married life is primarily to produce goodly children for society. Beyond the material and physical natures is a spiritual nature, but there is no true void within the former. This body is not ours, but we are using it. Avoid fabricating any conclusion. Eat for health, but not for mere pleasure. Progress requires more than mere imitation, but a variety of examples can be acted out upon realization. Now, from chapter 14, the text that I thought I'd like to share refers to the Kshetra and the Kshetra Jnana of the body and the spirit soul. How these combine to form the Mahatattva. And this is text 14.3. I'm looking at the comment for that. And the Mundaka Upanishad 1:1:19. Tasmad tad brahmanam arupam mannam cha jayata. And the idea there is that God has made humanity, God, involves himself by bestowing upon creation. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Rama, Hare Hare.